Philippine Air Force will have 2 units of one of the most lethal attack helicopters in the world, the Bell AH-1's Cobra, courtesy of a donation from the Jordanian government. Hermogenes Esperon, National Security Advisor and former Armed Forces Chief of Staff, confirmed reports by a blog site that the 2 helicopters arrived aboard a Russian-made Antonov cargo plane that landed in Clark on Tuesday, November 26. The helicopters would be assembled and taken to a series of flight tests. They were expected to be in operation by December, Esperon said. Max Defense Philippines, a blog site on Philippine defense, first reported the arrival of the Cobra helicopters and posted photos of the aircraft. The blog site, in the report confirmed by Esperon, said the helicopters were delivered to Clark and would be assembled starting on Wednesday, November 27. The Jordanian government pledged last year to donate 2 Cobra helicopters, and President Rodrigo Duterte had mentioned this in some of his speeches. In April, Duterte said Jordan might give more attack helicopters aside from the first 2. The Special Allotment Release Order SARO has an amount of 158,204,428 pesos.